Find some way to get your step on point. Got the joint, ain't you sorry that you step. Hit the blue light, hit the side to spot. Knee deep in the cut, cause the groove be hot. Scratching like puppies, the fuckers gon' really be bashing them bunkers who's where they ain't feeling. Step up on my hot chick group tonight. Long beats, drawing beats to the jam. Be tight, original, not the city in the place to be. You wanna get feline, funky with me? Let me hit you off with my feline funk. Got an ace steady that'll rip your trunk. Get up, bounce on, get up, bounce on. Do that rum shake down with the funk. Let me hit you off with my feline funk. Got an ace steady that'll rip your trunk. Get up, bounce on, get up, bounce on. Do that rum shake down with the funk.
Together and make some noise for our president. Love.
Make some noise, Newark. Come on, y'all. It's Pride. It took us a long time to get here, and every year we work harder and harder to make a festival that you can be proud of right here in your own backyard. No longer do we have to leave our town and go other places to celebrate our liberation and pride. We can stay right here at home. And forever and ever, we'll continue to work hard to make it greater and greater and safer for you. Put your hands together for yourself. I want to welcome you to Sounds of Pride 2019.
Her name is Kamari Tally. Tamari, are you about the stage? You ready? Y'all give her a big Newark welcome for Kamari.
Y'all ready for some poetry? I am an author. I'm a lesbian author. I have this very prolific book. This is my 8th book, my 2nd LGBT book. I'm working on my 3rd one as we speak. But nonetheless, just to get into it, this first piece is entitled My Love for Women. You're like my mother, sister, aunt, grandmother, lover. I never had all in one. But that's just what we do and who we are as women. We play roles. We heal souls. We're wired to love. We're wired to nurture. But that's just the nature of women. I'm a dominant, sensitive woman. I love women. Powerful women, independent women, feminine women. I love poetic and politically aware women, worthy women, curvy women, single, sexy, and saved women. The style of women, the smile of women, the depth in women, the way I connect with women. All that vulnerability, the desire to overcome those insecurities. Woman, someone finally understanding your personality, the long for longevity, the way she looks at
never be enough. Towers and gold are still too little. These hands can hold the world, but it'll never be enough. Never be enough for me. Never, 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 never. Never for me, never enough, never enough for me, for me.
Hi everyone, we're here for Newark Gay Pride. It's amazing, we're having a great time. Thank you to everyone that did participate in all the festivities all week long. More to come later. Sit back and watch. 2019 Newark Gay Pride.
Real niggas can't walk. Get that money, make it pop. Broke bitches need to stop. Real niggas spin up. Get that money. Get that money, ma. Get that money. I keep the money bag with me. Hey yo, what up? get money bags, fam, that's just who I am. I keep a plan to make it pop, a pin in the back. I beat the accent, connecting the cat. You see me eating Bella and stack and stack. I ain't never been greedy, imagine that. I get cheddar, believe me, racks and racks. So my hustle come easy, for bleeding back. You broke niggas hating, I'm speeding back. I want you humble to see me secure in the back. Real cheese get pop, and we still don't brag. The real is on the spot, and we still get back. So get it off the top, no feelings attached. Get that money, make it pop. Broke bitches need to stop. Real niggas getting guap. Get that money, make it pop. Broke bitches need to stop. Real bitches spending guap. Get that money, get that money, get that money. I keep a money bag with me. Yeah. Hey, what up, North? I'm only giving y'all a little bit. Y'all don't respect the game. You feel me? I got hits. Y'all don't respect the game. You pay like you weigh. Girl, I be out here chasing money, but you won't say that you feel lonely. Yeah, you know I got you. I'll be back before the morning. That's when I put these kisses for you. Don't slip up and fall in love with me, girl. That could be dangerous. You say you want it, once you get it, you switch it and change up. And I see them texts that you send me, I'm on my way. Baby, be patient. I can't wait to put these kisses on you. These kisses on you. You know how I do. Girl, I can't wait to put these kisses on you. These kisses on you. You know how I do. Girl, I can't wait. I wanna kiss your neck. Just let me kiss your face. I'll give you everything. You're everything to me. You're the only one I need. I know what I want, girl. I feel like I'm home. I'll be missing you, I ain't dissing you. I'ma kiss you all night long. I know what I want, girl. I feel like I'm just you waiting. Baby, be patient. I can't wait to put these kisses on you. These kisses on you. You know how I do. Girl, I can't wait to put these kisses on you. These kisses on you. You know how I do. Hey yo, where all my queens at? Show them they cannot get enough of you. Girl, show them they can't fuck with you. They cannot. No, they ain't touching you. No. Girl, let me see you walk. Now pose. Now pose. What they wanna do, they can't come for you. What they wanna do, they can't come for you. What they wanna do, they can't come for you. What they wanna do, they. We gon' show them who run it. Get them people what they want it. We gon' show them who run this. Get them people what they want it. We gon' show them who run this. Get them people what they want it. We gon' show them who run this. Get them people. You know they cannot back with you. They cannot. They cannot get enough of you. Nah. Word, come on, hey, come on. Don't come close, no, they ain't touching you. Come on. Where my girlfriend? Walk. Now walk. Now pose. Hey yo, what they wanna do? They can't come for you. What they wanna do? They can't come for you. What they wanna do? They can't come for you. What they wanna do? They say you running down that runway, and you ain't worried what they gon' say. Don't stop, you killing. I know this music got you feeling. We gon' show them who run this. they can't come for you. What they wanna do, they can't come for you. What they wanna do, they'll come for you. What they wanna do.
Ashley Home Store and Value City Furniture, we'd like to present her and her family with a sofa, love seat, dining table, cocktail tables, so that her family can live their best life. That's how we're doing it. So every year, we're gonna pick a family and we're gonna sponsor them. Y'all put your hands together and show some love to Mr. Chrystal Presents for living her best life. God bless y'all, and God bless the United States. Oh. All right, we get right back to the entertainment.
On fire. I appreciate all of y'all for participating in all of the Pride events that were handed to you. And Sharonda, you did a very great job along with your team, your sound people. Everything was amazing. Not one uproar, nothing negative to say. Just that the LGBTQ community, and there's an eye on it also, we really are doing amazing things here in Newark, New Jersey. This was the biggest parade yet. Everybody that showed out for the parade, this was the largest I know of for Newark, New Jersey, Newark Gay Pride. So give yourselves a round of applause if you walked today. All our vendors here, we need you to patronize all of our vendors.
What a beautiful evening. This is Eddie Nicholas. I'm here in Newark, New Jersey at Sounds of Pride. It's the Pride Parade in Newark, New Jersey. Right now, I'm here with Chrystal Simmons. She just stepped off of the Newark Pride stage doing her numbers, as we call it. Chrystal, how are you doing, my beautiful one?
I'm blessed. I'm highly favored. I'm just grateful to be here and a part of something great. Newark Pride is a great and a beautiful look for Newark. I feel good about this.
Now, you're multi-talented because not only are you an artist, but you also are a director and a producer. And if I'm not mistaken, you just had a premiere at Cinema Studios. Is that just right, correct, theater?
Newark Screen Theaters, yeah. I had a premiere for North Housing Authority. I got it on Amazon.com, Jam Network right now. I'm starting my next project, Sweet Temptation, real soon. Hopefully, Mr. Griffin gonna be a part of it. I'm trying to get everybody out here. You was a part of my project at Sub in the Brick City, so I'm hoping I get to work with you.
Yes, you got that, and that in itself won many awards, so I was extremely proud to be a part of that. What can we expect coming from Chrystal in the near future? Wait a minute, you were also doing a stint selling hot dogs, too, weren't you? I know it all. I know it all.
I got a hot dog stand called Let Me Dog You Out. And I just, I get more satisfaction out of that because guess what? I own it, so if I get to feed homeless people, I get to do what I want, you understand? And I have been able to do that. So everything is a blessing, man. I just try to use what God give me and share my gifts. That's it.
And and that's all any of us can do is put it out to the universe and see what happens.
Exactly.
Any advice that you want to say for aspiring producers, singing artists that are coming up?
Just keep your confidence in you and keep God first, and everything is going to be at your feet. It's going to be a couple of trials and tribulations, but as long as your determination and your faith and your passion is there, it's nothing that can stop you. You know that. You a singer, you be blowing the house away, so we all going to go through things. I think if we don't have those things to go through, what would make us great? That's how I look at it.
Okay. Where can people contact you?
Chrystal Gardner Simmons on Instagram, Chris Dinero on Twitter, chrisdinero@gmail.com. Send me some headshots. I got a few projects going on. I just love to do music. That's a part of who I am. But acting is a part of who I am. Acting builds confidence, and they like to know where I get my confidence from. It's definitely not drugs or nobody else. It's just because I like to be me and turn into characters. I'm a weirdo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chrystal Gardner Simmons.
Peace and blessings.
Peace and blessings.
All right, she's serving it, she's flowing, serving it, who's serving? Walk around, you might walk around, you might serve, walk around, you might block, get into my walk. If they sexy, make some noise. and Cloud. Wilson, Love and Cloud. Yes, the size, darling. Let's get it poppin'. Walk and serve and pop and flow and pose and pop and walk and serve. Just go and pop and walk and serve. Just go and pop. Just walk and serve. Wilson, Love and Cloud. Design, darling. Design, darling. If y'all like it, make some noise. Yes, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. God, walk. Just walk.
Hi guys, what's up? My name is Lucas. I'm the manager at Chrystal Lounge. So this is a safe space for us. That's what we wanted to create and embrace everybody. Like love equals love. So everybody's welcome. It's a safe space for us so we can enjoy, be ourselves, and have some fun. I'll wait for you guys there.
It's a collection. 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 Wilson, Love and Club. Wilson, Love and Club. And ladies and gentlemen, our designer, Wilson, Love and Club. Yes. All right, bitch, you got me. I'm sorry. I forgot it's Pride. It's Pride, right, y'all? All right, we gonna have some fun, right? I'm sorry for the chain. A curse might slip, but I don't mean it. Shit, shoot. Pop that beat, because we are not going to have Poison Ivy. Poison Ivy. Poison Ivy. Walk and serve and walk and serve and walk and serve and walk and serve. Wilson. Love and Club. It's Wilson. It's Love and Club. It's Wilson. Love and Club. It's Wilson. Love and Club. Yes. Hold on, where you going? You gotta talk to the people. You know we gotta talk to the people and let the people know what's going on, right? All right, y'all know I get a little shy, so can we make some noise? All right. So everybody here, right? We all agree, right? So I talked to the crowd earlier, and they told me to ask you. They said, what was the storyline behind your design collection today?
Well, my storyline is a little different because I started really young through my grandmother showing me how to sew. But today's event was more of a resort. So it was giving free, flowy resort, comfortable, 98-degree weather, wanted to be dry.